How are we doing, everyone? Mitch and Saunders here at Nitrous, and we're taking this stunning BMW down to Macauley at 8p, and we can't wait to see his reaction. Stay tuned for the live video. We're here with the winner of this beautiful BMW. What's your name, where are you from, mate?
Macauley Gilbert from Rochester, Kent.
Yes, Macauley. And do you know what? We had a little chat before we started this. How many tickets do you have, Macauley?
Only 10.
10 tickets, roughly £5, and he's won himself a BMW. And he said to me that when he come down here, he's seen it in real life, pictures and videos couldn't do it justice. How does it feel now you're here, mate, looking at it?
Buzzing, words can't describe. Literally, I'm over the moon.
He's over the moon, that's what we like to hear. And you've also had a couple of wins previously. Can you just let us know what they are,
Yeah,
mate?
I won a 10 grand on Emprise draw literally a few months ago, and that was it really. Obviously my brother's won as well, but yeah, got to be in it to win it, I guess.
That's it, exactly. You got to be in it to win it. He's won 10 grand before, his brother's won with Nitrous. All you got to do is get involved. And I heard you're also in for another 10 grand Emprise, mate.
Yeah, the RS3, I believe.
RS3, £10,000 Emprise draw as well.
Yeah,
and are you getting involved in anything else, mate?
Hopefully see what's catching my eye. I will be getting involved again, yeah.
That's it. And finally, mate, can we get those famous Nitrous words, please?
Got to be in it to win it.
Legend, there you go. Got to be in it to win it. He's won it, it's his, and we're absolutely buzzing for him.